Choosing a foldable cordless vacuum cleaner is not always easy with so many models claiming strong suction and long battery life. In this top 3, I tested the most popular foldable vacuums in real conditions to see which ones really deliver the best mix of power, flexibility, and everyday convenience. In the third position, after using the Ultinic Flex cordless vacuum cleaner extensively in a real everyday setting with hard floors, carpets, rugs, pet hair, corners, and furniture, I can say this model really focuses on practicality and raw cleaning efficiency, starting with its very strong suction power that goes up to 50 kilopascals, which is immediately noticeable when you pass over carpets or areas where dust and hair usually get embedded. It lifts fine particles, crumbs, and pet hair in fewer passes than most mid-range cordless vacuums I have tested. And on hard floors, the performance is especially impressive because it leaves surfaces visibly cleaner without scattering debris. The green laser technology on the brush head is not just a gimmick, as it genuinely highlights dust you would otherwise miss, particularly under sofas, beds, and along skirting boards, which makes cleaning more precise and satisfying. The 180-degree bendable wand is one of the biggest comfort features since it allows you to clean under low furniture without bending or kneeling, making long cleaning sessions much less tiring. The anti-tangle brush does a very good job with long hair and pet fur, as it significantly reduces hair wrapping around the roller, which means less maintenance over time. Battery life is another strong point, as in standard and eco modes, I consistently reached close to 50 to 60 minutes, which is enough to clean a medium to large home in one session. And the removable battery combined with the wall-mounted charging dock makes storage and daily use simple and organized. The filtration system with its multi-layer HEPA setup helps trap fine dust and allergens, which is noticeable in terms of air quality, especially if you have pets or allergies. However, there are some drawbacks that are important to mention, such as the fact that turbo mode, while extremely powerful, drains the battery quickly and is better suited for short, deep cleaning bursts rather than whole house cleaning. The dustbin, although easy to empty, could be larger, because if you have pets or a lot of carpeted areas, you may need to empty it more than once per session. The vacuum is lightweight overall, but can feel slightly top-heavy when used as a handheld for shelves or curtains over longer periods, and noise levels increase noticeably on higher suction settings, even though they remain acceptable for a cordless vacuum in this power class. The build quality feels solid, but not ultra-premium, which is understandable given the price range, and some users may wish for a more advanced display with remaining time estimates. To conclude, after testing it thoroughly, the Ultinic U16 Flex stands out as a powerful and well-designed foldable cordless vacuum that excels on hard floors, pet hair, and under furniture cleaning thanks to its strong suction, laser brush, and flexible wand. It offers a very good balance between performance, comfort, and battery life. And while it has a few limitations like bin size and turbo mode autonomy, it remains a highly effective and practical choice for anyone looking for a versatile foldable vacuum cleaner that delivers real-world results without stepping into the highest price bracket. Secondly, I tested the Candy cordless stick vacuum cleaner, and it clearly positions itself as a powerful and versatile foldable vacuum designed for demanding everyday cleaning. Thanks to its 650-watt motor and strong 320 AW suction, which immediately shows its strength on carpets, hard floors, and especially pet hair, as it lifts embedded dirt without having to go over the same area multiple times. The FlexiFold tube is a real comfort feature because it allows you to clean under beds, sofas, and low furniture without bending down, which genuinely changes the experience compared to classic stick vacuums. The SmartSense technology is also effective since it automatically adapts suction, depending on whether you are on carpet or hard floor, which helps balance performance and battery usage. The LED headlights on the brush are very useful to spot fine dust and hair, particularly along walls and in darker corners, And the anti-twist brush works well to prevent hair from wrapping around the roller, which saves a lot of maintenance time. The vacuum also converts easily into a handheld unit and comes with practical accessories for stairs, upholstery, cars, and tight spaces, making it a true all-in-one solution. However, there are some drawbacks to keep in mind, because while the advertised runtime can reach up to 100 minutes, this is only achievable in eco mode with smaller attachments, and drops significantly in turbo mode, where the battery drains much faster. The vacuum is also slightly bulkier than ultralight models, which can be noticeable during long cleaning sessions. And the dustbin, while easy to empty with one button, fills up relatively quickly if you have pets or a large home, so you may need to empty it more often. Despite these points, the overall build quality feels solid. The suction remains consistent, and the foldable design combined with strong performance makes it very practical for daily use. And in conclusion, after testing it in real conditions, the Candy is a strong choice for households with pets and mixed floor types, offering excellent power and smart features with only minor compromises on weight and battery life at high power. And to finish, first of all, the Shark really stands out as the most complete and premium foldable cordless vacuum I have tested in this comparison, because from the first use, you immediately feel how strong and controlled the suction is, especially on hard floors and carpets, where the Floor Detect technology automatically adjusts power without you having to think about it. While the Dirt Reveal LED lighting is genuinely useful to spot fine dust that you normally miss, even in daylight, and the Multiflex wand makes cleaning under sofas, beds, and low furniture effortless without bending your back, which is a real comfort upgrade during long cleaning sessions. In everyday use, it handles pet hair extremely well thanks to the self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap, and the HEPA filtration with a fully sealed system is reassuring if you have allergies, since it captures very fine particles instead of blowing them back into the air. The conversion to handheld mode is quick and practical for stairs, upholstery, and car interiors, and the included crevice and upholstery tools cover most cleaning situations without frustration. That said, it is not perfect, because the price is clearly higher than the other models in this top. The runtime can drop noticeably when using maximum power, and some users, including me during extended use, may find that the battery performance and suction consistency can vary slightly depending on the surface and battery charge level, which means it is not completely flawless for very large homes if you plan to clean everything in one go. Despite these drawbacks, the overall balance between power, flexibility, smart features, and build quality makes the Shark the best choice in this top 3 for anyone who wants a high-end foldable cordless vacuum that feels efficient, modern, and genuinely pleasant to use on a daily basis, making it my top recommendation and a strong winner of this comparison. So that wraps up this top 3 foldable vacuum cleaners. Each model has its own strengths, depending on your home, your pets, and how you clean on a daily basis. Whether you want maximum power, longer runtime, or easier access under furniture, the best choice is the one that fits your habits and space. And with these options, you have solid, reliable picks that make everyday cleaning faster and less frustrating. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.